learners, you all are welcome in your own English class. I am Pradyuman Kumar Pandey, English teacher, Rai Sahab Kalika Singh High School, Khalpura, Saran. Today, I have brought for you model set of English for board examination Bihar Board 2022. Today, I am going to tell you the answers of model set objective questions. You all know that there are 100 questions given in the board examination, out of which we have to answer only 50 questions. So let us start. The first question is, the pace of life was getting too much for the option A doctor, option B lawyer, option C corn merchant, option D merchant's nephew. And the correct answer is option C corn merchant. Now second question, you should not burn those leaves, it is bad for air. And correct option is option number A Mr. Williams. Question number third, on the day of his death Gilu did not dash. And correct answer is option number C eat. Question number 4, the truly Indian film should steer clear of dash. And the correct answer is option number A inconsistencies. The truly Indian film should steer clear of inconsistencies. Now question number 5, genuine brotherhood and peace is more precious than dash. And correct answer is option number A diamond. Question number 6, the boy and the girl climb into the dash bed. And correct answer is option number D wagon. The boy and the girl climb into the wagon bed. Question number 7, there can be no culture without dash. And correct answer is option number A civilization. There can be no culture without civilization. Question number 8, when man started fighting, two girls began to dig a dash. Correct answer is option number D channel. When men started fighting, two girls began to dig a channel. Question number 9, in the Pace for Living, the chief character in the play was a corn merchant in a small dash country town. Correct answer is option number C Iris. In the Pace for Living, the chief character in the play was a corn merchant in a small Irish country town. Question number 10, Mr. William, on seeing Jim, tried to pretend he is dash. And correct answer is option number D not home. Question number 11, Gilu had dash eyes. Correct answer is option number A shining. Gilu had shining eyes. Question number 12, the Indian film possess that tools of filmmaking. And correct answer is option number C primary. The Indian films possess primary tools of films making. Question number 13, the ideals of dash according to Alexander Aries should never be given up. And correct answer is option number A humanism. Question number 14, the young people in once upon a time were unable to hold their. Correct answer is option number B laughter. Question number 15, the dash built up a new civilization. And correct answer is pre-Aryans. The pre-Aryans built up a new civilization. Question number 16, the celebration time was dash. And correct answer is option number A Easter. Question number 17, the source of life according to William Cowper in the villages in the evening is the dash. Correct answer is option number D moonbeam. Question number 18, a happy man's days pass dash, and correct answer is option number C, smoothly. A happy man's days pass smoothly. Question number 19. The polythene bag cannot be dash, and correct answer is option number A, destroyed. The polythene bag cannot be destroyed. Question number 20. Dash thinks about Krishna all the time, and correct answer is option number D, Radha. Radha thinks about Krishna all the time. Question number 21. To gather gold, the rich man tried all dash, and correct answer is option number B, tricks. To gather gold, the rich man tried all tricks. Question number 22. The porter dash a distance of 6 miles. And correct answer is option number D, climbs. The porter climbs a distance of 6 miles. Question number 23. Speak, speak, why are thy dash so still? This question is from a poem, The Koel, and here the correct answer is option number A, leaves. Speak, speak, why are thy lips so still? Question number 24. Martha had dash eyes. And correct answer is option number A, grey. Martha had grey eyes. 25. Our groups were planted to console at and dash. And correct answer is option number A, noon time. Question number 26. What slides soft away? And correct answer is option number D, time. Time slides soft away. Question number 26. The polythene bag remains dash within. And correct answer is option number B, buried within. The polythene bag remains buried within. Now question number 28. Vidyapati's poems recreate and reveal the world of, and correct answer is option number C, Radha and Krishna. 29. Periyasemi Turan won the Padma Bhushan and Dash Award, and correct answer is option number B, Kalal Mamani Award. Question number 30. What keeps the coil dash yet charred? And correct answer is option number D, fresh. 31. Like a bird, according to Lakshmi Prasad Devkota, his heart is twittering. Correct answer is option number C, panting. Question number 32. The children, while listening to Martha's story, sat on their, and correct answer is option number B, elbow lolled. 33. Jabra started barking when he heard the noise of some dash, and correct answer is option number D, animals. Now question number 34. Antihistamines may provide dash relief by masking the symptoms, and correct answer is option number B, temporary. 35. During the first year of his imprisonment, the lawyer played the dash, and correct answer is option number C, piano. Question number 36. Mr. Jessler died of dash, and correct answer is option number B, slow starvation. 37. Catherine Mansfield has sensitive perception of feeling, especially of dash. Correct answer is option number B, children. Question number 38. In the letter, the daughter says that she tries to follow the advice of her dash, and correct answer is option number C, mother. Question number 39. The narrator in Love Defiled lived with his girlfriend for dash years. Correct answer is option number D, 8. 40. Premchand was a prolific writer of both Hindi and dash, and correct answer is option number A, Urdu. 41. Rana S.P. Singh has written a number of articles on dash, and correct answer is option number B, health care. Question number 42. The old banker had given a party dash years ago, and correct answer is option number C, 15 years ago. Question number 43. Dash was John Galsworthy's first important work, and correct answer is option number A, the Island Heresies. Question number 44. Catherine Mansfield's story is followed in the footsteps of dash, and correct answer is option number A, Anton Chekhov. 45. I speak with prejudice because I belong to the dash of slow thinkers. And here correct answer is option number D, tribe. Question number 46. The beloved was the narrator's dash. And correct answer is option number C, alter ego. The beloved was the narrator's alter ego. Question number 47. To whom does the author turn for enlightenment about movies? Correct answer is option number B, his wife. 48. Alexander Pope is a poet of the early dash century, and correct answer is option number C, 18th century. 49. Leo Tolstoy's stories is about dash, and correct answer is option number C, two girls. Question number 50. According to Toni Morrison, language should be living and dash. Correct answer is option number B, vibrant. Question number 51. Which word in me and the ecology bit is known as filth? Correct answer is option number A, garbage. Question number 52. I developed cold feet when it came to tying the knot with the dash, and correct answer is option number D, girl. This question number 52 is taken from the story Love Defiled of Supplementary Reader. Question number 53. What does the coil's voice do to the poet? And correct answer is option number D, vex the poet's soul. Question number 54. Lord Krishna had not met dash for some time from some time, and correct answer is option number B, Radha. Question number 55. Gilu is based on a beautiful friendship between a human being and a and dash, and correct answer is option number C, animal. Question number 56. Dash the germs of the disease keep on growing is from the poem, and these lines have been taken from the poem Polythene Bag. So your correct answer is option number D, polythene bag. Question number 57. The listener and Arabia are written by. Correct answer is option number A, Walter de la Mare. Question number 58. Jabra looked dash at the fire, and correct answer is option number B, fearfully. Jabra looked fearfully at the fire. Question number 59. The daughter wrote to her mother that she learned the mantra of loving dash from her, and here correct answer is option number D, pain and hardship. Question number 60. The children in sun and moon were marched off to the nursery to dash. Here correct answer is option number C, get dressed. Now question number 61 to 66. Choose the correct option of the following. Question number 61. Active voice of by whom was it painted? And correct answer is option number A, who painted it. Question number 62. Active voice of let this door be shut. And correct answer is option number C, shut this door. Question number 63. Active voice of butter is made from milk by us. And correct answer is we make butter from milk. Question number 64. Active voice of I was shocked by the letter. And correct answer is the letter shocked me. That means option number D, the letter shocked me. So your correct answer is option number D, the letter shocked me. Question number 65. Passive voice of don't touch the switch. And correct answer is option number B, the switch must not be touched. Question number 66. Passive voice of someone is following us. And correct answer is option number C, we are being followed. Question number 67. Direct speech of The boy said that he had not stolen the book. And correct answer is option number B. The boy said, I did not steal the book. This is the correct answer of question number 67. Question number 68. Direct speech of the principal told us to wait there till he returned. And correct answer is option number A. The principal told us, wait here till I return. Question number 69. Direct speech of they said that they had lived there for a long time. And correct answer is they they said that they had lived here there for a long time. And correct answer is option number B. They said we have lived here for a long time. Question number 70. Indirect speech of I said to my sister, I bought you a doll yesterday. And correct answer is I told my sister that I had bought her a doll the previous day. That means the correct answer is option number A. I told my sister that I had bought her a doll the previous day. Question number 71. Indirect speech of when did you meet my brother? She asked me. And correct answer is uh, option number B. She asked me when I had met her brother. Question number 72. Indirect speech of he said how lovely the scene is. And correct answer is he exclaimed that the scene was very lovely. Option number C. He exclaimed that the scene was very lovely. Question number 73. When I opened my eyes, I dash a strange sight. Here correct answer is option number A, saw. When I opened my eyes, I saw a strange sight. Question number 74. The headmaster dashed to talk to you. And here the correct answer is option number D, wants. 75. Radha dashed with her in-laws. And correct answer is option number B, lives. Question number 76. We dash America the next month. And here correct answer is option number A, visit. We visit America the next month. Question number 77. I dash from Canada. And correct answer is option number A, M. I am from Canada. Question number 78. Lisa and Jane dash really happy now and now. Really happy now. Here now indicates the sentence is of present tense, and so the correct answer is R. Lisa and Jane are really happy now. Question number 79. Sincere students always dash high marks, and correct answer is option number B, get. Sincere students always get high marks. Question number 80. I congratulated him on his success. Option number C. It is our duty to get at the truth. Option number D. Kundan did not approve of his father's plan. Option number B. 83. He threw a stone into the river. Option number B. 84. Madhav is good at English. Option number B. 85. Nidhi did not disclose the fact to her husband. So answer is option number C. 2. 86. I am worried about the examination. So correct answer is B. Question number 87. Choose the correctly spelled word. So correctly spelled word here is option number C, character. 88. Here correct answer is option number A. 89. Correct answer is option number D. 90. Correct answer is option number B. 91. Correct answer is option number D. 92. Correct answer is option number C. 93. करेक्ट आंसर इज ऑप्शन नंबर ए 94. तुम्हें जाना नहीं चाहिए था. ट्रांसलेट इनटू इंग्लिश एंड करेक्ट आंसर इज ऑप्शन नंबर ए यू शुड नॉट हैव गॉन. 95. एक जज को ईमानदार होना चाहिए एंड करेक्ट आंसर इज ऑप्शन नंबर सी अ जज मस्ट बी ऑनेस्ट. 96. तुम्हें घबराने की जरूरत नहीं है एंड करेक्ट आंसर इज ऑप्शन नंबर डी यू नीड नॉट वरी. Question number 97. Synonym of deny. You know that synonyms means the word similar in meaning. In Hindi we say पर्यायवाची शब्द. So the word similar in meaning. Synonym of deny is correct answer is option number B. Refuse. Deny means इनकार करना and refuse also means the same इनकार करना. Question number 98. Synonym of renowned, विख्यात, प्रसिद्ध. And so correct answer is here option number D, famous. Question number 99. Antonym. You know antonym means the word opposite in meaning. That means ulta shabd. And urban means shahari. And the opposite of urban is option number D, rural, gramin. Question number 100. Last objective question. Antonym of quiet. And here the correct option will be option number C, violent. Now I have told you, shown you all the 100 questions, objective questions of model set issued by Bihar board and their answer. I hope you must be benefited by this, and you know that in examination you have to answer only 50 questions. So if you prepare in a good manner, you can get 50 out of 50, because you have options. You can leave 50 questions and you can choose only those questions which you know well. In this way you can get 50 out of 50 in objective questions if you work hard and study in a good manner. Thank you all, and in the end I will like to tell you that you can like the video if you like it, and if you like, you can also subscribe the channel. Thank you all. Thank you for watching this video. Okay, goodbye, see you again.